how to attach a file and send it as an email. This is what you will learn in this video. So this process is extremely easy. This tutorial is only for the beginners. First of all, you have to open the email from which you want to send the mail. In my case, I have a Gmail account, so I have opened it up, but almost all the emails, whether it is Yahoo or Outlook, anything else, everybody has the same interface. You have to do the first step, that is the compose mail. Click on that, and then here you have to write the address. So I am going to for the sake of this tutorial send an email to myself. I will just write the subject, and after this subject I'm going to write the mail. So I've completed my message that hi, this is the here's the file that you requested, thanks. And now the final step is that I have to attach this file. So in order to attach, I have to go down and click this paperclip icon, and then I will also receive this message of attach files. I'm just going to click, and then you have to browse into the folder where your attached file is there. In my case, I'm going to attach the thumbnail of this video. It is a file. Just in case you do not know, it is an image file, but for any file this method would work, whether it is a PowerPoint, Word, your CV, PDF file, anything, whether it is a zip file. So you have to just select this file and click open. So it will take some time to upload. So once it is uploaded, you will receive you can see the file name here, and alongside that within the parentheses you will see the overall size of the file. And now you are all good to go. You just have to press this send button and your message or email would be sent. You will get this message on the bottom left, message sent, and you can also view your message. Since I sent this file to myself, so I have already received this email. So the interface is going to be same for the receiver, whether I click it here or if you view the message from here. In both the cases the message would appear like this. So on the top this is the message, and on the bottom here is the attached file. So the receiver will just click on this download, and this file will be downloaded on his computer, and now he can see that file. That's it.